Hey guys, how's it going? How are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel, and I can't believe I'm saying this again. Like, I'm uploading another video this week. What? Who am I? No, but today we're gonna be transforming. No, we're not gonna be mating. We're gonna be transforming my closet. And let me just tell you, whew, thank goodness to the magic of YouTube for condensing this video to only 10 minutes or less, because my goodness, Jolly G, it took me actually like 2 months to do this. I was like back and forth in between Mexico and here, but I finally found the time to settle down and get this done, and well, the rest is history. So here is my closet transformation. Okay guys, so here is my closet before. As you guys can see, it's completely empty. It just has the walls and a lot of dust particles. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some before pictures just so you guys can get a better view of the closet, just in case my videography skills weren't enough. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and build these two bookshelves that I purchased from Walmart for $29.88. I grabbed these two. I just thought it was a cheaper alternative from the ones on Amazon. The ones on Amazon are nearly close to $80, and I think that's a little over my budget. I'm pretty sure these bookshelves are easier to assemble than the ones from IKEA, so wish me luck, guys. Wow, did you guys like that montage? Sorry. All the clips that I had of me like assembling the bookshelf, for some reason they were glitching. All my videos were glitching from this video and the other previous video that I posted. If you guys have not checked it out, go check it out. But here are the bookshelves that I assembled. Look at them, they look nice and clean. So fresh, it's clean. Now for this 12 cube organizer, I actually purchased it off my sister for 40 bucks. It's normally about $88 at Walmart, but Amazon right now is having a sale for, it's not the same one, but it's a good replica, for $54.88. So if you guys want it, go snatch it. All right, this is the progress thus far. Super excited, it looks super cute. Now I decided to do the black and white just because it looks cool. I'm tired of seeing the white on white. I do have my coffee here to keep me energized through this whole process. So shout out to Dunkin' and Donuts for being so cheap and affordable. Alrighty, but the next thing on the list is to hang this pole up, but I'm not sure if I'm actually gonna use it or not, just because we run into a minor problem if we do. As you guys can see, there is a small gap right here, and the hanger is 17 inches, so we run into that problem of it clashing to the bookcase and covering a little bit of the bookcase. Now I know it's not a major problem, but for me it is, because I'm a perfectionist, and if I do it this way, it's gonna give me less space to walk through, and plus that, it's gonna make this whole room look very, very compact and tight. So I'm gonna probably try to figure out another way to do this. So I ended up getting these industrial pipes and some flanges and a few of the pipe caps to give it more like an industrial look. This is how it came out. I like it, but I'm not in total like unfortunately. It gives me more space to walk through, that's for sure. I guess I'm just gonna second think. If anything, I can put the pipes back up. I didn't go with that. I actually ended up going with the shelf that I found in my garage. It was actually white, so I painted it black, and I also found a metal post, so I went ahead and used that as well. Well guys, are you ready? Here's the before, and this is the after. Wow, this is so good. Alrighty guys, well that is my closet transformation. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.